It's National Eating Disorders Awareness Week, and you've likely heard of conditions like bulimia or anorexia. But what about a disordered eating pattern called orthorexia? It's an obsession with consuming clean foods, which turns healthy eating into something harmful. And experts say this is becoming more common. Mandy Gaither has more on orthorexia and its red flags.
It's a pillar of good health. Eating clean, whole foods is good for your body. But when what you eat becomes an obsession, that persistent preoccupation can turn perilous.
We can't say that social media causes orthorexia, but it absolutely can add fuel to the flame.
Psychologist Casey Goodpaster with Cleveland Clinic says orthorexia is a disordered eating pattern that's becoming more common. As people scroll their phones, they're constantly getting fear-based nutrition advice.
People who have anxiety or perfectionistic tendencies, that can really put them at risk for developing a full-blown eating disorder.
It may start with a desire to be healthier, but Goodpaster says over time, food rules become more strict and lead to the elimination of entire food groups, guilt or anxiety over eating food deemed off the plan, avoiding social situations that involve food, and spending excessive time either researching or preparing meals. She says all this can lead to nutrient deficiencies, hormonal changes, fatigue, even bone loss or other medical conditions. It can also lead to isolation.
When food rules start to dominate people's lives, relationships, and other meaningful experiences can begin to take a backseat.
If you suspect a loved one has an unhealthy eating pattern, she says to have a compassionate conversation and encourage them to seek help.
Healthy nutrition should support your life. It shouldn't make you feel anxious, isolated, or pressured to eat perfectly.
For Health Minute, I'm Mandy Gaither.